Hi, today I'm going to be replacing this 60-year-old aluminum window behind me, and I'm going to be installing a Pella single hung window right here. And this window costs us about $450, and all the windows in this house, 13 windows total, I had estimates anywhere from $12,000 to $20,000 to replace them. All the windows that we are putting in this house is a sum total of about $2,700, so quite a bit of savings. Windows are not that hard to install, so if you watch the video, hopefully you'll be able to learn something and maybe help yourself save some money. So enjoy the show. For starters, taking a knife, go around the perimeter here to cut all the paint right at the seam where the window frame meets the painted surface. 84 diagonal on both sides, so that means we got a good square to work with. Feet across. Okay, 43 and a half. And first things first, you're gonna need some safety glasses and some good leather gloves. Okay, the outside view of removing the window panes. Kick that out of the way. Pull this little trim piece out. And again, this has been in here for 60 years, so start a little trash pile right over there. I'll get a bag here in a minute. And the next step is pull the glass out. Just gently wiggle that glass. take a piece of aluminum here and brace it against the wall so as not to damage the wall, and then you can see that, there we go, and then pry it away. As you can see, it's kind of opening up that area right there, and then you just kind of got to keep working at it. And I just walked that up the length of the wall area. And now we're at the very top, disengaging it from the wall. And as you can see, there's minimal to no damage to the wall because we used that piece of aluminum to help protect it. And the rest of it is coming out. We just kind of work it back and forth gently. Try to, again, keep from having any kind of major damage. Okay, now we need the trash man to come by and clean up some of our mess. Okay, we're doing a little bit of prep work. I got a crevice here around the perimeter that I'm going to fill with some window foam, some insulation foam. You gotta be careful with this stuff not to put too much in because it does expand pretty well. And again, always wear gloves. I've got rubber gloves on. This stuff is horrible if you get it on your skin. Plastic piece that I'm using as a spatula. I'm going to shove this down into the holes. Okay, I've got the gap filled with the foam insulation. This is for a mechanical seal. This is the important part here. It will not show once the window is in place. There's the window in. So this is just a pre-fit installed. However, I have to take it back up to seal it. Caulking is one of the most important parts of this whole project. So you want to use polyurethane caulk on the outside, and then silicone caulk is on the inside.
Good.